How to fix TikTok verification code not received. Hi guys, in this video, I am going to teach you how to fix TikTok if your phone number is not receiving the verification code. But before that, please click the subscribe button for more other video tutorials like this. Without further ado, let's get started. First, open your TikTok application. Log in using your number. And then, send code. Then wait for the verification code to be sent to your number. As you can see, no code is coming to my number. To fix this, go to your phone settings. And then, scroll down and look for the apps and permission. From the list, select on App Manager. And here, find the TikTok application and click it. Tap on Storage. And then here, you can see on the screen the buttons for Clear Cache and Clear Data. Click both of them. Next, go back to the TikTok settings page and click Permission. In this, make sure that all permissions are enabled, like the camera, the contacts, the microphone, and the storage. Basically, enable them. After that, restart your phone. Once your phone opens, open your TikTok app. And then, set up your TikTok account. Log in using your phone number. Then click again to send code. See, I can now receive a verification code. So that's it for our tutorial video. If I helped you out, don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit the notification bell for more videos like this. Thank you so much and have a nice day.